Okay, everybody, we got this camera that Cindy got me for Christmas, and I figured I'd show everybody what was actually in the box. It was so dark the other night when we tried it out. I'm pretty sure she got it off Amazon. She didn't tell me. I assume she did. But there's the thing here. You get this little cover for this here. I'm not going to put it on. It's something like that or whatever, the way it looks there. I'll take you through these things here real quick. I can get my cursor over there. There's a little video. I'm not going to show it. We'll go back up here to that. We're going to show you what's in the box. The first thing I noticed was that thing says it's a whatever there, right there. And it shows it on this one, but I looked through them and didn't really find the one that didn't have nothing on it, so found the exact same one though. Okay, now this little sleeve here, it came off this here whenever I took it out. Of course, I just wound the line back up on it. We do not have enough light in here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn some more light on. Okay, so we've got our cord. And it's got a 3 plugins here. Well, actually, there's not 3 plugins. One of them's for the LED light that switches the light from one thing to another. Right here, it's a little clicker. It'll switch it. This one says video. This one says camera. Got some kind of float that goes with it. I'm not sure exactly how that will work. Probably won't use it, to be honest with you. Here's our camera, which looks like a fish. Now, from reading, this thing's supposed to hold up to, this cord's supposed to hold up to like 66 pounds. Now, do I suggest hooking, just putting a hook on the end of that? I don't know. Who knows? It could be fun though. Okay. Now we got our cord that comes from our monitor. This is a little strange. They put a connector on this one. It says power and video. That's what we got there. Then we got the battery. Done charged the battery back up on this one. It did last quite a while. It's got 4 little lights there. And all your connections is right here. Now, it says it on there, if you could read it. It's all in black, which they could have at least highlighted a little bit or something, but oh well. Don't really matter, I don't reckon. But I think this is, I'm not sure how much cord's on there, to be honest with you. Because it's in Chinese writing or something or another. I don't read Chinese. But anyway, take this cord here. Got one that says power. And this one's power right here. Plug it in there. And that's powering our monitor up. Now this one, connect the 2 yellow ones right here. This one and this one. Right here, if I can see them, put them together. Okay, we got them 2 together. And there's another one here somewhere. Where you at? There it is. Now it says camera. Well, we'll look to make sure. Okay, the far left one is the one that goes on. I'm thinking there's another cord somewhere, but who knows? Does it really matter? I don't know. But we've got our cord and everything here. This thing's kind of a mess, really. Okay, there we go. Here's what it looks like. Actually, it's got a really good picture, which you'll see in the video that we're going to do. Picks up real good. And look at Cindy's pineapple background. Okay. And we've got over here, you've got a few different things. It's a record, play, something, menu, exit, then back and forth or something or another. But you got your on and off right here. Turn it off, turn it on. And the light on it, this little thing here. Ah, the LED. So there was another one maybe that I missed. It said LED, I think. Did the light already quit? There it goes. It could be a problem. It's got 3 different kind of lights on it. Okay, well, as you can see, it's very bright. And the next video, where we'll go into where we was at the lake, and I'll show them what it did at the lake. Okay, people, we are here at the fishing spot. I don't know how good you can see. There's the pier. Got Cindy here. I'm gonna get the rods out. We got this underwater camera. We'll try it out and see what's down there at the pier in the water. See if we can see. Let's get some rods and we'll throw them out. And we will see what happens. Hey, here's what we got, people. Fish finder, underwater camera. Got lights on it. We're gonna put it down there and see what happens. Here's the camera. Cold crap out here, by the way. And I'll be back in a minute.
This was Travis's Christmas gift. It's one of the underwater fish finders.
That's what we're looking at, people. We got a worm on that little hook out there, which it ain't a real hook, but it's a. We put it on there to see if we can get a fish to come to that worm in that light. We'll be back if we get one in there.
So
there it is. And I will be doing some more recordings of it. We will record on it to see if we can catch anything that's on the video. And we appreciate you watching, and hit that sub button. There'll be some more footage coming out of it and see how it does in the future. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.